Hello, this is Brian from Geopath, and today we're going to be talking about using the Actions tab in the Explore module. When working in the Explore module, you'll notice the Actions tab at the top of the screen. There are a few helpful options within this. The Load Save Scenarios option will allow you to call up inventory or market plans from the Workspace module and map out those units on the map. The Clear View option will reset your Explore module and remove all filters and map options. The Print View option sends your current map view to your printer, or can be used to print as a PDF for exporting maps. Say for example I wanted to save this map before I clear it off my screen. In the Actions tab under Print View, I can hit Print, where a dialog box will pop up and allow me to print to a specific printer, or as you can see here, save as PDF. This is a nice easy way to export your current map view to something that you can share with a client. Instead, let's say I wanted to clear my map and start over. If I go to the Clear View option and hit Reset All, you'll notice that the Explore module resets to its default. Here I'm now looking at all US inventory that Geopath audits. All of my inventory filters and applied audiences or markets have been removed.